Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, Christina Aguilera and Ozuna, the song called Santo. This one is very, very easy. Only 2 chords and 1 strumming pattern, and that's it. So let's start right away. No need for any capo. And the 2 chords are first A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. So that's A minor, and the second and last chord is D minor. So open D, second G, third B, and first E. So the chord progression goes A minor to D minor to D minor and back to A minor. So A minor, D minor, D minor, A minor, all right? And then we have a strumming pattern. You can do that in 2 different ways, kind of. So the first one is down, down, up, clap, down. So if we take the A minor, for instance, that's the first chord. It will be like this. All right. So down, down, up, clap, down. And then you shift to the D minor. Down, down, up, clap, down. And then you play a D minor again. And back to A minor. And that is 1 chord progression. So it goes like this through the entire song. So slowly it will be like this. So that's that, and we have another variation of this strumming pattern. It's pretty much the same, just the ending that differs a little bit. So it will be down, down, up, clap, still the same. So down, down, up, clap, and then instead of just doing 1 down, you play up, down, up. Okay, so slowly it will be like this with A minor. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And then you shift to D minor. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. And D minor again. And back to A minor. So slowly, it will be like this. And I'm gonna speed up so you get an idea of how it sounds in standard tempo. So let's go. So that's this song, Christina Aguilera and Ozuna, with the song called Santo. So you can choose whatever you want there. I prefer the last, the up, down, up in the ending, that strumming pattern. It's up to you. Do it in your own way, and this pretty much covers this whole song. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know. Thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and see you soon. Don't forget, guys, play tuned.